This is the black leather looking band for the Fitbit HR Charge 2. And I've actually had this band for 4 years now, and it's still in fairly good condition. Just like with any watch band, it kind of gets its wear where you wear it. And it's super easy to change, so this is the one that came with it. So I'm just going to unattach these here. It comes right off, and then make sure it's the right way. I will click this right in to the watch piece right here. And once they're both attached, then it's just like any other watch or Fitbit, and you would connect it and put it on your wrist. Super simple, super easy, super classy watch band.